Howdy! My name is Laura, and today in the shop I'm working on this tiny wrench, which is heavily inspired by an early screw style wrench that I have. The final piece is actually going to be available for purchase, but I'll tell you more about that at the end of this video. So if you're interested in seeing how I fabricate this in sterling silver, then stay tuned to see how everything comes together, and let's get to work.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean? Good Lord, man, shit, it ain't what it seems. You got nice clothes, and nice shows, boogie down at the bar. Fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now, don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, lay me down there. Double down, throw some dice, take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play?
Hi. All right. I know we just got started, but I'm already changing a little thing. So I cut what's going to be the main spine of the wrench, and then also I cut the stock that's going to be the top jaw of the wrench, and I already have decided that the stock I was planning on using for that top jaw is just not wide enough. Well, I took a piece of 20 gauge sterling silver and I cut these rectangles that are about the same size, a little oversized for my top jaw stock. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sandwich one on the bottom and one on each side and make a kind of like sterling silver sandwich. But those things are all going to get soldered together with a technique that us metalsmiths call sweat soldering. Then that will give me kind of like a bigger thickness for that top jaw, and it will, I think, look better proportionately in the long run. I'm going to solder those things on right now. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around till the end of this video. You may know that I make these tiny tools and then donate them to the Metal Museum's yearly art auction fundraiser. Money raised by this auction helps the Metal Museum continue to offer blacksmith and foundry apprenticeships, showcase fantastic metal art exhibitions in their galleries, as well as teach blacksmith, foundry, and metals classes, just to name only a few of their programs. So it's something that I feel really strongly about supporting because they just do such an amazing job of supporting me and the community of metal artists that I'm a part of. So this tiny sterling silver replica that I'm making is an early screw style wrench that will be up for auction. And the specific style of wrench was invented by a man named Loring Coase, and he was granted the patent for his design on April 16th, 1841. If you're interested in trying your hand and bidding to see if you can win my piece at the auction, it will all take place on Saturday, October 23rd, and you'll be able to bid online from the comfort of your own home. A link to the auction information will be in the description box below. And just for full disclosure, my pieces for this at this auction typically go for around $200 to $600, just so that you aren't surprised. Or maybe you're pleasantly surprised because you're like, I can afford that. So thanks again. I really do appreciate you tuning in. And I can't forget to thank my fantastic Ironclad crew over on Patreon. Thank you for supporting me through the thick and thin of it all. If you're interested in showing your support for my channel, be sure to subscribe. But if you already have, then thank you. And as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!